Hey, this is Kyle with Air Power. Here today from our Build Lab in High Point, and we talk a lot about mobile manufacturing solutions. Today I want to show you a mobile maintenance solution. So what we have here is a Ransburg RCS system. So this is the resin and this is the catalyst. And traditionally we would mount a system like this fixed to the floor or against the booth wall. In this case, for ease of maintenance, we've put this system on mobile casters so that if there's an issue within the system, the maintenance team can unhook and remove from the area, making maintenance on the front and back side of the system easily accessible. So, another interesting way of using mobile manufacturing. In this case, it's mobile maintenance.